The Axoguard HA Plus has been a really interesting development. The HA Plus has a layer of hyaluronic acid that's embedded in it, and it actually gives it a much more kind of slippery layer that allows the nerve to glide. And I tend to use the HA Plus in cases where I want to prevent any kind of traction neuritis. I want to make sure the nerve is gliding well. Any case where you're doing either a nerve release or you anticipate that there are additional injuries. For example, you have a humeral shaft fracture, you get a radial nerve sticking right on top of it, and you want it to be able to glide and not stick down. I think the HA Plus would be great for that. Doing complex nerve releases like a redo cubital tunnel, where you maybe do a submuscular transposition or intramuscular, and you want to get the patient moving to hopefully not have the nerve stick down. I think those types of cases are good cases to have hyaluronic acid as a way to lubricate the nerve so it doesn't stick. We've been using not only Axoguard, but more recently Axoguard HA Plus in performing neurotized free flaps, so sensate free flaps. And these you can do for any kind of reconstruction, free flaps to the palm of the hand, to the lower extremity, or even gender affirming surgery. And oftentimes you have nerves that are they're basically a mismatch because it's essentially a nerve transfer, or you have multiple nerves being connected to one nerve. So that's why I think it's also important to be able to wrap them so that you have a better, easier coaptation. And the HA Plus product has allowed us to be able to use this in conjunction with having more of a gliding plane as well.